I'm vegan because I don't want to be mean to any animals. Not to dogs, pigs, cats, cows, chickens, turkeys, lambs, rabbits, or anyone. I'm vegan because even though they say the spirit is willing but the flesh is weak, I realize that even though I hated the taste of broccoli all my life, I could slowly learn to like it for the sake of the animals, the planet, and my own health. I'm vegan, not because broccoli doesn't scream, but because it is an it. It's not a someone. You see, fish also don't scream, but they do suffer. Cutting a fish into pieces isn't at all the same thing as cutting broccoli into pieces. Unlike fish, broccoli don't have a brain or a nervous system. They can't feel pain. Fish can. That's why fish desperately try to escape when they're caught, whereas broccoli doesn't have any reflex to protect itself. Fish are friends who want to live. Broccoli is food that is meant to be eaten. I'm vegan because I want to help the environment by not depleting the oceans of fish. I'm vegan because peeling the skin off a potato is a nicer thing to do than peeling the skin off a chicken. I'm vegan because even though my parents fed me animal body parts as a small child, now that I'm an adult who understands that these were living beings, the least I can do going forward is to choose not to hurt any of their ancestors. I'm vegan because even though it brings such joy to see animals up close, when I think about places like SeaWorld, I become sad knowing that cruel people kidnapped whales, dolphins, and seals and forced them to do tricks in swimming pools just to make money by using them as a form of slavery. I'm vegan because I learned that preparing real food that comes from the ground or was picked from trees, provided a way for me to practice meditation, to breathe slowly while feeling the unique texture of each piece, smelling their freshness, and enjoying the rainbow of colors each of them had to offer. I'm vegan because the vast majority of us don't get enough fiber, which is needed for a healthy gut microbiome. So, by eating more plants, I can at least try to reduce my chances of getting colon cancer. I'm vegan because I don't want to pay anyone to burn down the rainforests to grow crops for cows who were created in the first place by being touched inappropriately and forced to be pregnant without their consent. I'd rather that people not rape cows into existence to begin with. I'd rather eat the plants directly instead of filtering them through an innocent animal who doesn't deserve to die. I'm vegan because I learned that my intestinal tract is long and perfect for digesting plants. It's not short like that of a lion. I'm vegan because I no longer feel right eating bacon, sausage, or ham, now that I've learned that pigs are as smart as dogs. And even if they weren't, I know it's wrong to be cruel to any animal, when I can just eat healthy vegan foods instead. I'm vegan because I don't want to just say that I think animals have moral value. I also want to show it with my actions, with how I spend my money, and what I put on my spoon. I'm vegan because when I see eggs in a nest, it never occurs to me to steal them from a mother. Instead, my instincts tell me to help her protect them. I'm vegan because they invented this thing called soy milk. I don't want to pay anyone to tie up mother cows and force them to be pregnant and then to kidnap their sons for the purposes of murdering them, just so people can steal their milk and sell it in stores to use for their taste pleasure. I knew I'd just have to get used to drinking plant-exclusive milks, and so that's what I did. I'm vegan because I don't want to be part of the egg industry, in which millions of male chicks are killed each year by maceration, crushing, asphyxiation, drowning, and by being burned alive. You know why they do this? Because they're considered to be useless, because they'll never be able to lay eggs. You can learn more about that by going to egg-truth.com if you want to. This is only the beginning of my list. But here's one more. I'm vegan because if you were the victim, I'd also protect you. Happy Vegan Declaration Day.